Hello, today I would like to tell you how to start using Pocket Hives program. So first of all, you need to download the program from Google Play Store. So at first, when you download the program and open it, you need to write down how much bee sectors you do have. So in the top of the screen, in the right side, you will find a small window where you can add the number. So please add the sectors. It is the same for the beehives too. When you will add the sectors, you go to the sector directly inside and add by the same scheme every beehive. When you will add beehives and sectors, you need to know that it is very easy to change the name of every sector or the beehive. You just need to click on every icon where you see the name of the hive or the sector and you can change it. Or you can go directly to every beehive and you will see the old name in the top of the screen. You click on the name and you can change it easily. So if you want to see the overall statistics, you need to go back to the main menu where you see all the sectors you added, and in the front of every icon you will see the number. This number shows you how much hives in every sector you do have. Congratulations, you succeeded to add first data in Pocket Hives program.